Good morning, everyone. Hair is still getting long. Beard's still getting long. Hope you're all safe and well. I got a different background today or recently. Just wanted to say hello. Welcome to another week of Amazing Mathematics. This week we're going to focus on sequences. These sequences are patterns, so you're going to have to use your thinking brain and make your best predictions ever. So here's some instructions for today's task. Happy Monday. Let's get down to business. All right, today when you open your Desmos activity, you're going to see something called sequences. I'm going to need you to get a piece of paper right now. Sequences are just patterns, so you're going to have to write this tree map. These are just quick notes for you to reference as you work through your sequences in the Desmos activity. So there's two types of sequences. There's two types of patterns in life, or how things grow. The arithmetic kind, and the geometric kind. They're two different sets of sequences that make patterns grow. So let's look at what arithmetic really encompasses. It grows or it decreases, but in this case, it's growing. So to identify the sequence or what this is going by, we find the common difference. In other words, it's going by 2, so they call these the common difference. So the common difference is plus 2. So the question will be, what will be the next number of this arithmetic sequence? What will be the next term? So if the pattern continues, the next one should be, that's right, the next one should be 11, and so on and so forth until infinity and beyond. So those are called arithmetic sequences. Now, if you notice it down here, this sequence, it's still decreasing or increasing, but this one's decreasing, so it's decreasing by 6, because from -3 to -9 you went down 6 spaces. From -9 to -15 you went down another 6 spaces. So the common difference is -6. So they call this an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic. Now let's look at geometric. What do you guys notice about geometric? Think about what you're seeing. And in other words, how is this pattern growing? In your mind, you probably already saw it 2 hours ago, so you are correct. This pattern is multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2, and multiplying by 2. So in geometric sequences, they call it the common ratio. So the common ratio in this case will be times 2. And so here's the difference, or similar in differences. Is they're both growing. One of them is adding, arithmetic, and one of them is multiplying, geometric. So let's look at one more sequence, and then we'll go from there. So notice how it's still, in this case, it's a little tricky because it seems like it's growing, but the fraction is getting smaller. But it is multiplying by 1/3 or dividing by 3. I don't know how you would like to think about it, but when you multiply by a fraction, you're actually dividing by a certain number. So the common ratio will be 1/3. I'm so sorry. Yes, it is. So I'm not sorry. It is multiplying by 1/3, because if you think about it, 1/3 times 1/3, it's equal to 1/9, and so on and so forth. So it's getting smaller, the fraction, but it looks like it's getting bigger. So that's sequences in a nutshell. Today you're going to explore on your Desmos activity arithmetic and geometric sequences. Hope you enjoy them. And then you will see other sequences that have no meaning. So I'm going to use a random color, like 2, 3, 7, and 9. Although it's still growing, it's not growing by something in common. It's not adding or multiplying. In other words, it's not even subtracting or dividing. So that would be a neither. It's not geometric and it's not arithmetic. So that's your job today. Organize these sequences into their own. Hope you write some notes. Hope you enjoy the task. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. So go to the Desmos. Get it done.